Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Fine.
Where are your
Fine, ma'am.
friends? Today, you are so good, children. I just said you yesterday that to join on time, and you have joined, right?
Yeah, but there is
Yes.
Aini, Asil, and
There are people who haven't joined yet, isn't it? What punishment we can give to them?
mm, uh, on the max class, let's give them hard questions.
Yeah, let's give some questions and let's make them in trouble, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And how is your
Yes.
works all going on? Any pending works are there now? Did you check all
Mm,
your works?
ma'am, can I say one thing?
What?
I, ma'am, can I say one thing?
Yeah.
I forgot to put the learner's book. Like that homework, I forgot to put it. Zenobia, I forgot to give the photo to Zenobia.
Oh, is it? Okay. Anyway, give it today, okay?
Okay. I think my mom gave me.
Zanube, you can message her and remind her. You are the
Yeah,
one who need pics, right?
with me yesterday, but I was out.
Okay.
Okay.
Ask her, okay? Then only she'll get reminder.
Yeah.
Hawa,
Okay, ma'am.
Ajal, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just turn on your video then. Okay, why all of you are not submitting your your works for magazine?
Ma'am, Uttara done it.
Uttara?
I done it, ma'am.
Okay, then I said you to send to my mail, right?
I don't know what is the name.
You mail it,
My
okay?
mom said she made it.
She mailed.
Yeah.
Okay, then let me check. I haven't seen so it yet. Hawa, Yardan, Azil. Please turn on your video. So you'll not be getting attendance for assembly, okay, Azil? Yes.
Tomorrow there is assembly.
Yeah, tomorrow we have first ever, right? So just
Yes.
say for which all items are you ready for that? We'll be doing assembly. Hmm?
Um, Ma'am, can I do thought for the day? Ma'am,
Hawa always chooses thought for today.
I knew also. Ma'am, because I'm like really good at thought for the day.
Yeah, that's okay. But we have to be, we have to get what specialized for all others also, right?
Yeah.
So you have to do everything. Yeah, I think Zenobia, can you just do anchoring?
Okay, ma'am.
So you just write down for which all items everyone is doing. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Uttara, you can do the prayer
Right.
and also you can do that. You were doing that yoga, no?
Yeah.
Both you can do. Okay, just try some different one.
Yeah, no, some more poses.
Okay. Now, Yardan, you there? Yardan will be doing thought for the day.
Okay, ma'am.
Hawa, what can you do, dear?
I can do a story reading.
Yeah, Hawa can do story telling. And who else? Azil can do what of things, okay? When he come back, just say him, okay? Okay then. So all of you submit your works for a magazine to my mail. Okay, just mail it. Understand?
I submitted my.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. So bye everyone. Satsa will be taking over. Okay?
No one should want to leave the class.
Yeah, okay. No one leave the class. Ma'am is leaving. Okay then. Bye bye. Satsa is already here. Sir, you're there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.